So, well, here we are. I've got some news. Just had my new laptop arrived, and as you can see, it's the new MacBook Pro, and I thought I would get the 15-inch space grey MacBook Pro with the new i9 Intel processor. It's a 16MB shared L3 cache, 32GB RAM, 1TB hard drive, and various other bits and pieces. Now, the reason I went for this rather than maybe a Windows-based PC is because with a MacBook, I needed something for my online teaching, also for my presentations, and a Windows PC, as good as it is, I thought it's slightly unstable with regards to the internet, and with regards to my desktop PC, if I didn't have the Ethernet connector plugged into the PC, it would drop out of the internet at various times, which would be a bit of a pain when it came to online teaching. Now, with the MacBook range and the iMac range, I've not come across an issue with regards to the internet dropping intermittently. So that's the first reason I got it. Second edition, it's a hell of a beast, and it's fantastic if you look at it. By and by, I'm going to unbox it. We're going to have a look at it, and I'm going to get it set up for online teaching, and hopefully it'll be up and running and you can see how it is. And I'm going to try it out tomorrow with my new classes, and hopefully there won't be much of a transition from a Windows desktop to a MacBook Pro, but fingers crossed. So let's get started. And I've got to open it up at the back here. There we go. Looks absolutely fascinating. So just slight perspex cover to it. Take this off. There we go. Next step is opening it. And does the cover come off like this? I think it does. Wow. Looks absolutely fascinating. But the real problem, wow, that's quite a large screen. I didn't realise how large it was, but there we go. You can see the Apple logo. It also comes with, as well as this cover, it comes with its power connector. It also comes with this adapter, which you can just, hopefully, I need to take this off. Wow. There we go. And this somehow comes off. Wow. It's got the Apple logo on the power adapter, which is fantastic. Wow, that's lovely. Really good. Wow. Take this out. Oh, it's glued in. There we go. There we are. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous, the grey. There we go. Slightly chuffed. Right, we've got various things in this. We've got a manual, a very short and simple manual. Lift the lid. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid, and Setup Assistant helps you get up and running. There's 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C connectors and a headphone jack, which is great. Then I've got the dock and touch bar, force touch trackpad. Now, the difference between this MacBook and the previous version last year is that this version's had the new butterfly keys updated, and it's just a matter of time to see how these respond, because there were some hiccups with regards to the previous butterfly keyboard. Okay, got some stickers which I'll keep, might put on, I don't know, my music case or something like that. But there we go. So we have bits and pieces there, which I'll keep. And that's the box. So, put the box out of the way so you can see this in action. So, we're going to open it up and see what it's like. And it should boot up for the first time. And hold on. Oh! Wow. Take this protector cover off. Now that looks absolutely amazing. So it's booting up. Okay, and we got various decisions to make.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, sorry, it's going to be British English for me. Oh, Touch ID. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. This is nice. It's just like my iPhone. I wonder if they'll have, Face ID, a bit like the new iPhone. Touch ID is ready. Oh, it's all very nice. Oh, it's all setting up. It's almost done. Wow. Got some nice speakers here. Both sides. I've got the headphone jack. Oh wow, look at that. So I'm going to get various things set up for this and get everything updated and get all my programs ready. I've just got under 1 terabyte of flash storage, so wow. Looking forward to this. So, we'll see. Anyway. Okay. Well, I'll see you in a bit with this. Okay, and once it's all set up, and thank you very much. See you shortly. Okay, so here we are. Got it all set up, ready for tomorrow for work. Got Chrome installed. Got Twitter on the ready, so that's all cool. So looking forward to this. Also have Manicam installed, ready for the old. Here we go, we've got the old camera here. So we're going to be using Manicam with the green screen, the chroma key and the green screen. So that's what we're going to be using for the backdrop. And yeah, that's about it really. So we've got everything ready to go for this. Got my old video editing ready. And yeah, so I'm very pleased with this. So there we are, that's the laptop ready and set up for various things such as online teaching. I've got Microsoft Word on it. I have also the Keynote, and so I've got Keynote for Teacher Training, I've got online teaching platform all set up, I've got video editing ready for that side of things. So that's it, and I'm going to see how we do tomorrow with regards to online teaching, but I've tried out the software already online, and I've tried the online platform. Works perfectly. I've got no complaints, so that's great. If you like this video, give it a great thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed already. I've already got 1,500 subscribers, which is great, and yeah, thank you, really appreciate it, and see you next time. Yeah, keep on teaching.